In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up the coupon link generator. The coupon link generator module enables you to generate discount coupon links that you can share with your customers. So these links can be pasted on your blog or on your social media pages. So for us to be able to access the coupon link generator, we navigate to the store management section here and select settings. Under settings, we select modules. So in the modules page, we go ahead and choose the marketing and conversion category option. And then here we search for coupon link generator. So here is the coupon link generator module. So the next thing we have to do is we go ahead and install it. So after we install it, we proceed to edit it. So let's go ahead and click on the install button here. So now that we've installed it, you can see that it automatically opens the coupon link module settings page. So before we can proceed to generate link for the discount coupon, we will need to first of all enable the module. So to enable it, we update this status to enabled and save. All right, so now that we've saved, let's go back to open it. So to open it, we select marketing and conversion category. And then here you can see the coupon link generator. So we go ahead and click on the edit button here. So what we need to do now is for us to generate a discount coupon shopping cart link, we will need to now go ahead and select a product that the customer will be able to order when they open the link. So once we select the product, we go ahead and choose the target page. So this would be the landing page for the link if the customer opens the link. So for this example, we can go ahead and choose the checkout cart, choose the cart page, so the shopping cart page. So here, after we have set the target page, we will now go ahead and assign the discount coupon that the customer will be able to, that will be applied to the shopping cart when the customer opens the link. So let's go ahead and choose the 10% discount. And then once we choose the discount coupon, we go ahead and click on the generate link button here. All right, so you can see that the discount coupon link, shopping cart link has been generated here. So we go ahead and copy it and we open it. Let's go ahead and open it here. All right, you can see that it's redirected us to the shopping cart page, but the discount coupon wasn't applied because the discount coupon has expired. So we'll go ahead and adjust the discount coupon and then create a new link. So for us to adjust the discount coupon that we've selected here, we navigate to the store management section and select marketing. So under marketing, you can see that we have the coupon section, and also a shortcut link has been added under marketing to the coupon link generator module. So, but let's go ahead and adjust the discount coupon by selecting this option here. And then here you can see that the expiry date for the 10% discount is 1st January 2022 and is disabled. So for us to edit the module, we click on the edit button here. So we scroll down to the expiry date here and update it to 2023. For the month, we select September. So we say the expiry date as 20th of September. So once we extend it, we scroll down and enable the coupon status, and then save. All right, so now we have enabled the discount coupon. We can now go back to the coupon link generator to create another shopping link. So to do that, we navigate to the store management section here, select marketing. So under marketing section, we click on the coupon link generator. So here we'll now proceed to select the product again. All right, choose the product option, set the target page. So note that we can also add custom page if we don't want it to be, if we don't want the link to redirect to the shopping cart or checkout page. So let's go ahead and select the shopping cart page again. And then here we search for the discount coupon. So this is the one that we've adjusted. So we select it again and generate the link. So now that we've generated the link, let's copy it and then paste it here again. All right. So this time around, you can see that the discount coupon was applied to the shopping cart here. And the customer can then proceed to complete the order by clicking the checkout button here. So, but let's say we want the link to open another page apart from the shopping cart page. So, for example, let's say we want the link to open the product page. So to do this, we go to the home page here. All right. So let's empty the cart. All right. So let's go back to the home page and then select this product. So once we select the product, in the product page, we go ahead and copy the product page link. All right. So once we do this, we go back to the coupon link generator here and clear the form. So once we clear the form, let's go ahead and add another product again, add the option size. So for the target page, since we wanted to open this page, right, we go ahead and copy this again. All right, we close the page and then we choose custom link here and paste the link here. So this is the link to the product page. So once we do that, we now come here and assign the discount coupon. And then we go ahead and generate the link. So now that we've generated the link, so what we'll do now is we go ahead and copy the link and then paste it and open it. So you can see that it redirected us to the product page. And then clicking on the cart here, you can see that the product was added to the cart and the discount coupon was applied to the shopping cart. So this is an example on how you can set custom link when generating the coupon discount link using the coupon link generator. So in addition to generating the link, if we want to send QR code to the customer, we can download this QR code here. Instead of using link, we can use QR code. This is useful if we are doing offline marketing for the store and we are running a promo that we want the coupon to be applied automatically when the customer opens the store page. So we can download this coupon, this QR code that has an image that has been generated here, and use it in the flyer or banner that we are going to share to the customers. So to download it, you just right click it and click on the save image button. So in addition to the QR code, we can also save the links that have been generated. So let's say we want to save this link. We type in the name for the link. We say discount promo for blue shoe. And then we now proceed and click on the save button here. So now the link has been saved. So we will no longer need to manually generate it if we want to access the link in future. So since we've saved it, we can go ahead and clear the form. So for us to view saved links, we come to this section and click on it. So you can see this is the link that has been saved. So we can always come here and copy it. So once we copy it, let's clear the cart again. So we navigate to the home page here and then we copy this link and paste it here. So pasting it will redirect it back to this product page and add the product to cart and also apply the discount coupon to the shopping cart. So apart from creating and saving links, we can also create collections. So collections is like when we want to group saved links into different groups. So let's say for this link that we have generated and saved, and we want to add this link to a collection. So we proceed to the collection section. We can call this group 1. And then here we search for the link. So this is it. So we select it and then click on the Save Collections button here. So you can see that it has been saved. And once we copy this link, go back to the storefront end and paste it. So you see that it will add it back again to the cart and also apply the discount to the shopping cart. So in this video, I've shown you how to set up the coupon link generator and how to generate discount links using the coupon link generator module. Thank you for watching.